So the AI Starter Package is perfect if you want to do first steps into the AI world. We develop a custom AI for you in 6 weeks, and after that we guide you through testing and give you hints where to look next for data improvements, for architecture decisions, or for more use cases. So first we start with an interactive design thinking workshop. In this workshop we have a look at the process as it is and have a look at possible steps to be automated. Then we have a closer look at your provided architecture and the data setup and have a look at how the AI can learn from this data. After the development phase then, you have the possibility to test the AI with an user-friendly interface. Our experts have a lot of experience with custom AI, so we can give you a lot of hints which AI situations might work or might not work, and you can avoid spending time and money on useless use cases. So for one customer, we developed an AI solution, and the results were in the beginning not as good as expected. So the customer gave a lot of feedback and we iterated over the model, and then in the end the customer decided to go with this AI model and integrate it in their process. And now it's running productively since 3 years and it is automating 95% of the process.